Hi everybody, today we are going to see what is inside this mobile charger. Let us open this and we can see what is inside this. So if you open this connector, you can see there is a small circuit is here. This is the back end of the circuit. You can see you have capacitors, transformers, resistor, all those stuff is there. You can see here it is the resistor, and normally this pin is connected like this. You can see the pin is connected like this. So when it charges, this work, and at the back side you can see here it will be connected to the wire. Now this is how it is connected to the wire. You can see here it is connected like this. This is how it works.